I wanted to look at the work I did yesterday, especially since the gusts are 60, 70 kilometers, hard to say. My weather station is less accurate when the wind is from the south, southwest, southeast, so can't really say for certain, but it's violent, the wind. And yesterday I noticed the roof had pulled free, but I'll show you rather than describing it. I fixed it yesterday. So, wellness check in the evening. Okay, here we go. I was goofing around yesterday and moving one of the hay dispensers up against this wall, anticipating the high winds. And I just don't think it's well placed there. It gets wet. Not all directions of wind and rain, snow get it wet, but many do. I don't think this is terrific, but east, more or less. West handled. North handled. But this south, southeast, south, southwest, sorry, not great. Anyway, while I was messing around, I noticed, I think I can show you with the zoom. See that? That's a wire tucked in 2, 3, 4, 5. More reinforcement to hold this roof from high winds like this, even pulling it down. Right? Somehow, though, wind in the past days, because we've had some really high wind gusts, ripped it out of the beam. Ripped the eye hook out of the beam. So I grabbed a ladder, sorry, and now it's tied around the beams in order to hold this roof down from winds like today. Additionally, to hold the whole structure, my neighbor told me about this trick, is you just tie it down like a tent. So that's very intense wire tied down to that tree. The structure is tied down like a tent, and the roof is tied down too with these, well, hold on. With these tensors. See? It's very tight, holds it down. There are 2 in the back and 2 in the front. Into a 2-meter post that's 80% in the earth. Holds these down. Anyway, days like this make me nervous. Roof, structure, high winds. There are stories of, people's roofs being blown a kilometer away. All right. Cool, cool. That's the structure. The animals.